Okay, this is question number 44. Okay, we can see there's a star next to the question number, so this means there's marks for quality of written communication. A couple of things we need to think about. As soon as you see this question, you've seen a triangle, there's some parallel lines. CDEF is a straight line. AB is parallel to CF, so AB parallel to CF. And as we indicated, or we were indicated, that is a straight line, and DE is equal to AE. DE, this side here of the triangle, is equal to AE. There are these lines here, these lines tell me that they're equal as well, and so that's an isosceles triangle. Now, a couple of facts, angle facts, as you do in questions of this sort. Alternate angles are equal. If you see a Z shape, that means alternate angles. Okay, alternate angles are equal. An F shape means corresponding angles, and they're equal. Other facts to remember: angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. Angles in a straight line add to 180. So these are often the reasons you have to give, and please do write them out in full, pretty much as they are here. You don't need to write the the letter F and the letter Z. Alternate angles are equal. You have to put the are equal bit when you're doing this. So first of all, when we look at this question, try to identify the Z shape or the F shape that you want to work with. And in this case, right, I want to work out X over there. To work out X, it would be useful to know this angle here. This is an isosceles triangle, so really the base angles are equal. Now the base of this isosceles triangle is down here. Yeah, these are the two equal sides, and the base angles are the ones at the bottom of this. So going towards the bottom, this angle and this angle, the angle at A and the angle at D, they're both equal. So in order to work out X, I need to find the two base angles, which means I need to know the other angle, this one here, which I could find out. So as I was starting off by saying just now, try to find a Z or an F shape in here, and the Z shape, there it is. Okay, there's my Z shape. So that means that the angles on the inside of the clefts of the Z are the same. So if that's 38, that angle there is also going to be 38 because alternate angles are equal. Okay, so that's going to be 38. Write the reasons down. Remember in the question it says the reasons. Draw little arrows, put in your numbers, and write down the reasons. So the examiner will give you credit for this as you're doing it. If that's 38, I could work out these two angles over here because the base angles of an isosceles triangle are equal. So these two angles are the same. And how do I work this out? Well, I know the angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. Okay, so the angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. If I do 180 take away 38, that's going to be 142. And then share that by 2. So 142 is the sum of these two angles divided by 2. And that gives me 71. Show the workings of the side. You've got full credit for this. And now I could put 71 in these two angle spaces and write it on the diagram on your paper. Okay. Now I could work out X because these two angles are on a straight line. Okay. Angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. 180 take away 71 is going to give me 109. And that is my answer. X is 109. Really straightforward this question is, but this is maybe one of the harder or more challenging versions. Look out to see if they're talking about an isosceles triangle. All the triangles aren't always isosceles. Or maybe if they tell you sides are equal or that you have these lines on them, are the triangles isosceles? So do watch out for it. Take your time as you're doing it and make sure you can get all the marks when you get one in the exam. This is very, very likely to come up.